Today, I'm going to show you how to balance the throttle bodies and change the fuel filter. This is a 2010 Street Fighter S, the 70mm Army exhaust.
First step, remove the seat and the tank fairings. Then there's a 6mm bolt fastening the tank. I prop it up with a block of wood. Disconnect the fuel pump connections. There's 2 rubber blocks in the front. You have to slide the tank back before you remove the tank. I would recommend draining the gas. Then there's 4mm bolts securing the pump flange in.
A couple notes about fuel pumps. When taking it out, whatever movement, wiggle you did to get it out is what it needs to go back in. This pump looks pretty good. No real crazy debris in the tank. The fuel filter is dated 09, so it's original.
Here I'm using a snap ring pliers to expand those clips. You're going to want a kit of those one-time use hose clamps. I did not, but I recommend you guys place that large rubber O-ring on the bottom. A general air of caution is needed to be used. One, for working with gasoline, and then the second would be these small wires in the fuel tank can be quite brittle.
Also,
do not over tighten those small flange bolts. Now we are going to adjust the brass idle air screws. Here I'm pointing out the adjustment and where you need to connect. Start with both of the screws backed out 1 turn, and you're going to back them out until you achieve the idle speed you are desiring. The maximum you can turn them out is 2.5 turns. I'm hoping you could hear that slight shift in tone as I got it dialed in. The digital gauge is really what's best for this procedure, as you are adjusting a very fine amount. The most important thing is the idle speed. You want to be 1500 to 1600 RPM. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I could develop a cheerleader code following. It would follow repairs eagerly, and maybe in a sauna or something where they sweat a lot, and of course you don't just wear a coat in the sauna. You have to have a bikini or something like that on. Now, I'd do that.